In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time, and the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.